Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about tourism. And Jamaica is the destination of choice for weddings. Jamaica has emerged as the number one destination for weddings in the Caribbean. And this is a massive market, the overseas wedding market where people travel to have their weddings. And with all these hotels being built in Jamaica, it's not a surprise that Jamaica has emerged as number one. I mean, Ria has 7 hotels in Jamaica, looking to build an eighth. Sandals has so many locations in Jamaica. So many more hotels are being built. When it comes on to tourism, everybody wants to build a hotel in Jamaica. And with the infrastructure that the government is putting in, the highways, the expanding of the airports, it's making Jamaica look even more attractive. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the wedding market in Jamaica. Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett says Jamaica has solidified its position in the region as the destination of choice for weddings, making significant strides in the lucrative bridal market. Speaking at the recent Wedding Expo held in St. James and Falmouth as part of Tourism Awareness Week activities, Mr. Bartlett expressed confidence in Jamaica's growing appeal as a wedding host. He said that the Jamaica Tourist Board anticipates that 2024 will mark a milestone year for the island as a premier wedding destination, with an increasing number of visitors selecting Jamaica as the ideal location to exchange vows. The minister also highlighted the unique allure of Jamaica, citing its stunning natural beauty, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality as key factors driving the island's popularity among couples seeking a memorable wedding experience. With a strategic focus on enhancing Jamaica's wedding offerings and services, the government is committed to supporting the growth of the wedding tourism sector. By leveraging Jamaica's diverse attractions and world-class amenities, the aim is to position the island as a top choice for couples planning their dream wedding, he noted. With 2024 projected to be Jamaica's busiest year for hosting weddings, the island is set to welcome an influx of visitors eager to celebrate their love amidst the enchanting beauty of Jamaica's landscape and hospitality, Mr. Bartlett added. The global wedding services market is projected to expand annually at the annual growth rate of around 15.34% over the forecast period of 2024 to 2030, from 2024 to 2032. In terms of revenue, the global wedding services market size was valued at nearly $172 billion in 2023 and is expected to reach $647 billion by 2032. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So Jamaica once again is leading the way when it comes on to tourism. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We are driving through Bluefields in Westmoreland today. Alright guys, have a good day. Yeah.